Good morning. Continuing with our food evals, we've got a colder item here for people who, even though the weather is kind of wintry, this is a colder item, and we got a whole bunch of information about it on the back, and it's called Yo-Wo, Yo-Wo, and there are two different types in here. One is the cotton candy, and one is the melon berry. I know what cotton candy is. I'm not so sure about melonberry, but we'll open it up and find out. There's a pull tab on the top. Sometimes these don't work out, but this one worked pretty good. And let's see if we can get this. There's that. And there is this. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if this is something that slides out. It's not. Oh, I see. It pulls down. That pulls down. And this pulls down like that. So that way you don't have to tear everything up, and then this looks like it folds back up as well. There's a tab up here on top and a slot for it there. So if you don't eat these all at once and you want to put them back, they're put backable. So let's see what we got inside here. And I know these are going to be good. That's why I'm hesitating to read all the information about them. So here's, it looks like the melonberry one. Or nope, excuse me. That's the cotton candy one. Spoke too soon. So there's a nice little start the tear for you. So to make life easy, which I kind of like. So there that is. And now let's see, again, it's nice and cold. Little kids, they seem to like things colder at times. Oh, this is outstanding. It doesn't seem like, like an adult taste kind of thing. I'm not really tasting the cotton candy here. This blue color on the package is kind of influencing what I figure it's going to taste like, but it's creamy, it's cold, and it's flavorful and sweet. And so that's the cotton candy. Never thought of cotton candy as being cold or that kind of thing. See, okay, here we got the other one. Nope, same one. Spoke too soon again. See, maybe the other side of the package here, maybe these are. Okay, so here, got a picture of a watermelon on the front, so maybe this is the, hold that up there, see that? Maybe this is the melonberry. Yeah. Okay, so I guess they get the melon from the watermelon, and the berry, it looks like, I don't know, some type of berry. It looks a little bit darker colored than strawberry. It doesn't look like a blueberry, but some type of berry. So let's see what, and again, they've got the slot already started for you. So it's nice and easy to open these things. So let's see what the melonberry tastes like. You can taste the berry, and I guess you can taste the watermelon as well. It's kind of an interesting taste. Never really had it, but it's kind of cool. So I'm up for both of these. I'm a little bit more with the cotton candy. But either way, this is a terrific dessert, just terrific. So now, I hate this part of it, but let's see what's in it, see if there's anything bad in it. Right off the bat, the fat and the saturated fat is extremely low. I don't know if they're calling this no fat, but let's see. Good source of calcium, And then they've got the milk part here. I guess there's a lot of milk. So calcium for your bones is in here. So let's see. We're looking at 0 saturated fat and maybe 1% fat. Cholesterol, maybe 1% there. And sodium, 2. Carbohydrates. And then you got 0 fiber. Total sugars, 8 grams. So that's 8 grams per item. That's probably why it tastes so sweet. But and then it has calcium in it. It's got the other ones are 0 and a little bit on the other ones. A little bit of vitamin D, 4%, and that's all. These aren't that bad. And as an alternative, package says try them frozen. So, and there again, the side of the package, the back, and you can fold them back up if you're not going to eat them all at once. Which don't know how long something like this would last. So I kind of recommend these. These are cool. I think it's a bright, innovative idea. It tastes good. It's a snack, and eat it after your regular dinner. So do it yourself, Del, signing off on another Food Eval.